on, Mama. Can you roll over? Can you roll over today? Right here. Can you roll over? Let's see you. Can you show me? Very good girl. Can you roll again? What a good girl. She a happy cat? Let me see. Oh, Carlton, you're going to help too? I see. Carlton, you can't. I know. You're the star. What can you do? Can you sit? Can you lay down? Very good cat. Very good cat. But Mommy's being the star right now. Mama, can you roll over? Mama, do you know how? Can you show me to roll over? No, you don't like him? What kind of a look is that? You don't like him being here? No? Can you roll over? Oh, of course he's gonna. Are you helping, Carlton? Of course he is. Poor Mommy, there's nowhere to roll with Carlton in the way, is there? Poor Fluffy. Carlton, is it about you, is it? I guess it is.